Hi, I'm Mark. He's Carl.
And welcome to Pop Along RC.
Carl, what have we got here? This looks very, very cool.
This is very, very cool. Now, I've been wanting one of these for a while because in this country, the weather is miserable. It's
not great.
And I want something to play with indoors. So, the mini rock crawlers. I mean, these things have been around for a while now. They are super popular. And I've got myself the FTX Outback 3. Now, this one, I really like the design. So I'm not going to mess around. Let's get this thing out of the box. Here it is. Look at that.
This looks very, very like a little Farmer Giles Range Rover.
It's so cool.
Yeah.
But before we get onto the car, I actually really like this. Now, what I also like about it as well is you can just do that and pop it in your pocket. Look at that. So that battery is actually for inside here. You need, oh dear, forgotten. Yeah, it's 4 AAA batteries. You pop those in there, and then that clips in here, like so. And there you have it.
Great little feature.
That is awesome, right? That is so cool. Yeah. And actually, it's not too light either. It's got a little bit of weight in the handle once you get those batteries in there.
Yeah.
And there's a few adjustments you can make on the transmitter, so you can get this thing set up exactly how you like it. Now, it's a Range Rover. Is it a Land Rover? A Range Rover?
It says Ranger Free on the front.
It says Ranger Free on the front.
Yeah.
So,
I like it.
It's even got a spare tyre on the back.
Yeah, a little spare tyre, little roof rack, so you can put your little, your little suitcases and shovels and that on the top there.
Yeah.
And all of that.
Before we start with how amazing this car is, I'm going to tell you something I don't like about it straight away.
Go on.
These little clips. My fat fingers, man. I've had cars with these little clips on before, and my fat fingers, I was going to say find it difficult, but they have come out.
Come off alright, didn't it?
Super easy. So let's pop those off there, and let's have a little look under the shell.
Have a look under the shell.
Wow. Look at that.
Yeah.
Now then, this is the Outback Mini 3. It has been upgraded since the second one. There are some changes that have been made, and part of it is to do with how the car balances, and they've shifted the weight forward over the front wheels, so you've got a little bit more grip when you're heading up on an incline. But look at that, Mark.
Can I show it? Yeah, it's very, very good, and it really is very cool. I really like it. The tyres are amazingly soft, aren't they?
They've got some great grip on those tyres.
Yeah.
As I say, this tyre on the back, actually looking at it, is a spare tyre.
Functional.
You can literally
functional.
pop that off
and
stick it on the car.
Yeah, cool.
Which is really cool. So looking inside the car, we have got the micro motor at the front there. We have got a waterproof speed control.
Little LiPo battery on the top there. Tiny little thing that as well.
And LEDs, Mark. It's got lights. It's got lights on it.
Oh, this is cool. So the charger is one of the USB types. And I quite like these because they're so simple. So literally, plug it into like your computer or an iPhone adapter or whatever. And the last one, I haven't opened it yet, but there's a red light that comes on when it's charging, and then it just goes off when it's done. It's simple as that, really. And that is it, literally.
That is it. We are currently working on an indoor rock crawling board. There will be another video out shortly showing you our progress on that. Obviously, it's not a quick thing to produce a rock crawling board, but what we wanted to do differently to what we've seen on YouTube and in the community is we wanted something that is not portable but movable. We want to be able to take it on and off the table. For the workshops that we've got coming up, and we've got loads of plans and we've told you some of them, but one of our
good plans is we're going to take rock crawling out and about. So we're going to take it to the clubs that we do. That's the idea, isn't it?
It is indeed.
When we're allowed out,
When we're allowed out.
Stuff.
And when we run the holiday camps as well, this is something that we will be trialling at the next holiday camp with some of the older kids that we work with there.
Yeah.
So there it is, the FTX Outback Mini 3.
I like it. I'm going to get one as well.
What colour are you going to go for?
I'm going to go for grey.
Grey.
Yeah.
How colourful of you. Until the next time, stay safe people.